Birds in the sky go flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap. Birds in the sky go flap, flap, flap. All through the day. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Happy little birds with dancing feet. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Let's all sing today. Birds in the trees go cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Birds in the trees go cheep, cheep, cheep. All through the day. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Happy little birds with dancing feet. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Let's all sing today. Birds on the ground go hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Birds on the ground go hop, hop, hop. All through the day. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Happy little birds with dancing feet. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Let's all sing today. Birds in the nest go peep, peep, peep. Peep, peep, peep. Peep, peep, peep. Birds in the nest go peep, peep, peep. All through the day. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Happy little birds with dancing feet. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Let's all sing today. Birds everywhere go fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Up in the sky. Birds everywhere go sing, sing, sing. Joy is what they bring. Flap, flap, cheep, cheep, hop, hop, tweet. Sing it loud, let's move our feet. Flap, flap, cheep, cheep, hop, hop, tweet. Birds are here to play. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Happy little birds with dancing feet. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing so sweet. Let's all sing today.
Can you hear the black crow? Caw-caw says the black crow. Can you hear the black crow sitting on the tree? Can you see the flock of pigeons? Gray or white is the color of the pigeons. Can you see the flock of pigeons eating grains and seeds? Can you spot the owl on the tree? Hoot, hoot says the owl on the tree. Can you spot the owl on the tree swirling its head around? Can you spot that eagle with open wings? It looks regal. Can you spot that eagle hunting for its prey? Can you spot the bat on the tree screeching loudly on the tree? Can you spot the bat on the tree hanging upside down? Can you spot the duck in the pond? Quack, quack says the duck in the pond. Can you spot the duck in the pond waddling away and beyond? Can you hear the woodpecker, a red-headed woodpecker? Can you hear the woodpecker drilling and drumming on trees? Can you spot the peacock, colorful feathers of the peacock? Can you spot the peacock shimmering and rustling away? vultures. Can you see the wake of vultures feeding and circling around? Can you spot the sparrows, tiny brown sparrows? Can you spot the sparrows feeding on grains and seeds?
Five little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest. Mama bird saw them starting to crack, and soon all the eggs were hatched.
The first baby bird looked down at the ground. He got scared and couldn't make a sound. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird was too shy, shy, shy. The first baby bird got out of the nest. Then the next baby bird looked at the rest. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh my."